Ever wondered if you could achieve professional skin retouching without knowing a single thing about Photoshop? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google's latest AI tool to remove freckles, acne, and even burn scars, and then turn those photos into stunning commercial advertisements. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the desired channel if you're into the world of AI tools. Let's get started. As always, I'll start with Google and type Google Flow. The first site you see is the Google Flow website. I'll click on it to enter. On the home page, we click on New Project. This brings us to a page where we click the plus icon at the bottom. In the window that opens, we click Upload Media. I've already prepared a few images on my system. I've selected a collection of unretouched photos so we can retouch them together using Nano Banana. As you can see, the characters in these images have freckles and skin blemishes that we want to use in our example. I'll upload one of the images and wait for it to finish. Once uploaded, we click Add to Prompt. Here, we need to write our prompt. I have a ready-made prompt that I'll pin in the comments so you can easily copy and use it. Then, we click this option and select our model. Both Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro do a great job in this case. Since both are completely free and don't consume any credits, I'll use Nano Banana Pro. I wanted to generate an image, so in the aspect ratio section, I'll choose a size that matches my uploaded photo, in this case, 3:4. Finally, I hit Generate and wait for the image to be created. The image is ready. It did an excellent job retouching. Let me zoom in so you can see better. With this method, even regular users can retouch their photos without needing to know Photoshop. Now, I want to try another image. Using the same method, I'll upload another photo. After it uploads, we click Add to Prompt. In the prompt section, I'll paste our prompt again. The image size is set to match the upload, and finally, I hit Generate. Let's wait for this one to be created too. Very nice. It created this one for us as well. It didn't remove the freckles completely, but it cleared about 80% of them, and the image looks very natural. To get the best result, I suggest repeating this process a few times with the same image until you reach your desired outcome. Now, I want to upload another image. I'm uploading this photo of a head that has freckles and also a burn mark on the forehead. I'll hit Add to Prompt and paste our prompt again. I hit Generate to create the image. It's done. Let's zoom in and look together. Excellent. It removed all the freckles and perfectly preserved the character. It also removed the burn mark on the forehead, providing a very clean and professional retouch. I want to do this process one more time with another image. Now, I'll upload the photo of the girl who had acne on her face. You can see the blemishes here. We click Add to Prompt, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. The image is ready. It performed a beautiful skin retouch. The view is a bit closer, but the facial features are perfectly preserved. You can download the image in 2K quality, which essentially performs an upscale on your photo in addition to the retouching. I'll download this and save it on my system. Finally, I want to create a commercial image. After retouching our photo, I want to use it to create a beautiful advertisement for jewelry. Simply hover over the image, click the 3 dots in the corner, and select Add to Prompt. This time, I'll paste a different prompt. For those who have stayed with me until this point in the video and want this prompt, just ask me in the comments, and I'll send this professional prompt to you. Again, I'll choose the size matching my upload, hit Generate, and wait. It created the image for us. Let me zoom in. It has created a very beautiful, high-quality commercial image that is truly unique and extraordinary. I highly recommend you try it out. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and can use the incredible potential of Google Flow in your own projects. You saw how easy and fast it is to get professional results. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. To support the desired channel and stay updated on the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe. Until the next video, bye for now.